Dear trader, if you've been trading Forex for a while and concerned about the profits, or the lack thereof, you're making, I want to share some amazing inside news. My team and I have just released Fibo Quantum. It's a brand new Forex indicator that is based on scientific and, more importantly, natural laws. These laws are very powerful, but are often discarded. Our goal was to help traders make reliable profit in such a way that it is consistent over the long run and easy even for beginners. With Fibo Quantum Indicator, you will always know with a lot of confidence when exactly to open and close your trades to make the biggest possible profit from almost every price movement. Stick with me, because I'm about to show you how it works and how it can turn your trading career around. Fibo Quantum will show you when to enter your trades and where to set your take profit and stop loss levels. You will be executing trades exactly as shown by Fibo Quantum right on your chart and watching the price as it reaches take profit levels, one after the other. The more experienced you become with this tool, the better decisions you will make and the more profits you will keep making. It's such a simple and smart set and forget tool that once you start working with it, you will start thinking like a real trader. You will no longer have any amateur trading ideas and attitudes. The algorithms that make Fibo Quantum so accurate and profitable have been developed over years of painstaking research and analysis. We equipped Fibo Quantum with our own trading secrets and fine-tuned the special algorithms used by the big banks and investment houses to multiply their profit in the markets. This was only used by the big players until now, but I want to give you, the individual trader, more control over your trading and help you generate big profit that was previously available only to a chosen few. Once you employ this tool, you will realize the reliability it brings to your daily trading and see how powerful it is in helping you to make profit.